Hey guys, it's Chantal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're having BLR. BLR is bacon, lettuce, ranch, because we were supposed to have BLA, which is bacon, lettuce, avocado, but when I opened up my avocado, it was spoiled inside, so I was like, So we just had to improvise. So I thought I'd throw some ranch on there, but either way, it's still gonna be good. I had to do some more curly fries. They were bomb yesterday. I was like, these are actually really good. Got a little side of ranch, and of course, all right, let's get a thumbnail because I'm hungry. It's late today. I'm been up early. I was up early, but again, I'm eating late. So we're going to get right into it. All right. This is good. This ranch is slippery. Let's get into it. First bite. Yum. I was thinking about adding cucumbers on it, but I'm not sure how that would taste. I guess fine, but I mean, I'm sure it's fine, but this is still good. This bacon is from vegan. It's vegan bacon from Life Light. I love it. It's delicious. You just have to freeze it. Use or freeze within 3 to 5 days after opening it. Usually after I open it, I'll eat it like maybe 2 times in a row and then I'll freeze it. Just so I don't forget. So good. So I watched the Chris Rock special on Netflix. I feel like I fell asleep though a little bit on some parts. It was good, but there's some parts it's like, oh gosh. And of course, everyone's waiting for the Will Smith jokes and stuff. Guys, Oscars is almost here. Finally, I've been waiting for months. And I can guarantee you the views are going to be off the charts. I'm sure security is going to be on high alert. Oh, good. Oh, there's a lot of ranch back here. It's like slipping off. Look at that. That looks so good. So, yeah, so I'm excited. I'm trying to think. I wonder if Will Smith's gonna watch the Grammys from home. I think he said Chris Rock's performance was, or what Chris Rock said about him was embarrassing and something else. I'm thinking, you embarrassed yourself by hitting someone, so. I don't want to eat this one yet. It's falling apart. But yeah, so I don't know. It seems like I can't believe it's been almost a year since that incident happened. Seems like not that long ago. And last year the Oscars were March 31st, and now they're the 12th, so it's literally 2 weeks less than a year earlier. Uh-oh, last curly fry. That was good. You guys, that was so good. I've been waiting to make a BLT ever since I started buying the vegan bacon. So I was so happy I was able to make it. It was so good. I just wish that my avocado wasn't spoiled, because then it would have been a little bit thicker or filling, like a little more filling. But it was still fine. I had those fries, so I'm good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.